Today is Fluency Friday, right before spring break, so let's end it with a game. So last week we played addition board game. You'll flip it over today and we'll play the subtraction one. It's called Turtle Beach. So it's very similar to the addition game. You need your dice or your die. You have the big ones and we've ordered up some new ones, so April will have some for you guys to play with if it's a little easier. Or you could use a die from any board game that you have. You could just borrow it from there, or the paper one that we sent home. So just like the other ones, find something to be a little marker for your piece. I happen to have little bingo chips. Roll your dice. I rolled a 5, so then I would move my spacer 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 minus 0. So then if I get it right, I stay. If I get it wrong, I have to go back to where I started. If you land on the fish, you have to go back 1 space. So if I were to land a 3, 1, 2, 3, I would have to go back 1. 5 minus 1. So you'll play until you get a winner. I want to review a couple things that I've noticed with the kids because we've been learning about shapes and not focusing on adding and subtracting. I want to just review a couple things like the operations. When we have a, let me get a marker that works. Oh, okay, that doesn't work. There we go. When we have the operation minus, minus means take away. So if you're drawing a picture, if it's 5 minus 1, if you land on 5 minus 1, you could draw a picture or you could use your fingers. So all of these are within 5, so you could use one hand. So if it's 5 minus 1, use your other hand to take away, and then you can see how many you have left. Or you could draw a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1 equals 4. The other operation that we've been practicing is plus. Plus means getting more. So if I have an addition, maybe 2 plus 1, you could draw a picture if you need to. A group of 2 plus a group of 1 would be a total of a group of 3. Or you could put the greater number in your head and the other number in your hand and count up. So I would put 2 in my head, 1 in my hand, and count up. 2, 3. And it's important to move your hand from your the number in your head to the number in your hand to pull it down so you make sure that you count it. So we've got minus and plus, subtraction and addition. Minus means take away, plus means getting more. So now it's your turn to play Turtle Beach for Fluency Friday.